Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is about the poem Animals by Walt Whitman. Walt Whitman is a major figure in early American poetry. He made a break with tradition and wrote a revolutionary new kind of poetry in free verse. In the poem Animals, he tells us that he feels more at home with animals than humans, whom he finds very complicated and false. He describes his will to become an animal as they are far better than human beings. So let's start with the poem. I think I could turn and live with animals. I stand for the poet. He thinks that he could turn and live with animals. Now, why does he want to live with animals? They are so placid and self-contained. Because animals are so placid. Placid का मतलब very calm and peaceful. और self-contained का मतलब keep up control. So he wants to live with animals as they are very calm and keep up control. I stand and look at them long and long. He keeps standing and keeps looking at them for long. They do not sweat and whine about their condition. Now, in this paragraph, in this stanza, the poet explains that why does he want to live with animals. Now, his answer is because animals do not sweat. Sweat का मतलब complain. वो complain नहीं करते कोई भी and whine about their condition. Meaning of whine is cry. उनकी जो भी condition है, neither they complain nor they cry. They do not lie awake in the dark and weep for their sins. Unlike humans, animals don't complain of any misery. They never cry out loud like humans. Never they stay awake. और वो रात में भी नहीं जागते and weep for their sins. Sins मतलब wrongdoings. They never stay awake or cry in repentance for their wrongdoings. They do not make me sick discussing their duty to God. They never boast of good deeds done in the name of God. They don't try to possess materialistic things. Not one is dissatisfied. Not one is demented with. Not one is dissatisfied. They are satisfied with their condition. Not one is demented with. Meaning of demented is mad, disturbed, and no one is disturbed. The mania of owning things. Mania का मतलब एक mental disease होती है of owning things, to possess materialistic things. So they are not mad about to own materialistic things which make humans go crazy. So they are satisfied with their what they possess. They don't run, they don't cry after to possess materialistic things. Not one kneels to another, nor to his kind that lived thousands of years ago. Now in humans, rich people are given more respect. But in humans it's not like that. No one kneels. Kneels का मतलब झुक कर बो करना किसी के सामने. They don't do it like that. Not to his kind that lived thousands of years ago. Poet says he has never seen any animal showing his devotion to anyone in front of any person. In humans, rich are given more respect. Not one is respectable or unhappy over the whole earth. Not one is respectable. Unhappy. कोई भी ऐसा नहीं है कि वो रिस्पेक्टेबल नहीं है या अनहैप्पी है, ऐसा कोई भी नहीं है वहां पर. इन एनिमल्स. So they show their relation to me and I accept them. They stand for the animals. So they show their relations to me. Relations, what does it mean? Like the connection, the good qualities and the gestures, and I accept them. मैं उनको acknowledge करता हूँ. They bring me tokens of myself. Token meaning qualities. They stand for the animal. They bring me tokens of myself. They evince. Evince, meaning of evince is to reveal, to show. What they possess, they come and show to me. Tokens of जो उनकी qualities हैं, जो उनके पास qualities हैं, वो उसको show करते हैं और मेरे को बताते हैं. They evince them plainly in their possession. The qualities which they possess, they come to me and show me. I wonder where they get those tokens. In the lines, the poet introspects good qualities, where good qualities have gone and where have these qualities been gotten by these animals. I wonder where they got those tokens. ये qualities उनको कहाँ से मिली हैं? कौन सी qualities? Which qualities is the poet talking about? He is talking about the good qualities like innocence, kindness, truthfulness, which is lacking among the humans, and animals do possess these kinds of qualities. So he's wondering where have they got these qualities from. So in the last line, the poet says, did I pass that way huge times ago and negligently drop them? The poet means that the animals remind him of true values of the human nature such as kindness and innocence. And the poet believes that animals got their values from humans while the humans lost them a long time ago. Huge time का मतलब long time ago and have forgotten about them. Negligently का मतलब carelessly. तो वो जो animals हैं उन्होंने सारी qualities कहाँ से ली? Maybe humans have dropped them carelessly and animals have adopted, have taken those qualities, and humans, they are deprived of these qualities of kindness, true values of human nature like kindness and innocence. So this is all about the poem. Please like and subscribe.